Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best nail clippers is probably one of the most important tools in your pet grooming kit. Trimming your small dog's nails is crucial for their health and comfort, preventing potential injuries and ensuring they can walk and run without any issues. In this video, we'll explore the best nail clippers available, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your furry friend happy and healthy. Number 5. Boshel Dog Nail Clippers and Trimmer. This pet grooming tool is recommended by professionals. It's designed to be powerful and easy to use. Thousands of customers recommend it as the best for medium and large dogs and cats. These clippers have high-quality stainless steel blades. They are sharp enough to cut nails with one try. The blades will stay sharp for years, providing smooth and quick cuts. The clippers are designed for comfort while grooming at home. It features ergonomic handles that are non-slip. This design ensures ease of use and prevents accidental cuts. It is equipped with a safety stop blade. This feature reduces the risk of cutting nails too short. It helps prevent injury to your dog. The clippers come with a free mini nail file. You can use it to file the nails after cutting. The file is conveniently placed in the clipper's handle. What we like. This clipper boasts razor-sharp blades for clean cuts, making the grooming process quick and efficient. The safety guard prevents overcutting, ensuring your pet's safety. If you are looking for a tool that prioritizes safety and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy to use and the blade sharp. The guide prevented from clipping too short. Lightweight, easy to grip. Should last a long time. Number 4. Dudi Dog Nail Clippers and Trimmer. This is the perfect tool for at-home pet grooming. It features razor-sharp blades for a clean cut, making the process easier for you and your dog. The built-in safety guard prevents overcutting, ensuring your dog's nails are trimmed safely. This feature gives you peace of mind while grooming your pet. The clippers are equipped with razor-sharp blades designed for a precise and clean cut. This ensures a smooth trimming experience for your dog. The clippers have sturdy, non-slip handles, providing a comfortable and secure grip. This allows for better control and precision during use. With these clippers, you can groom your pet at home, saving time and money. It's a convenient and effective way to maintain your dog's nails. The clippers come in a stylish blue-black design. Get yours today and make grooming a breeze. What we like. With sharp blades and a safety guard, this clipper ensures precise and safe nail trimming. The non-slip handles provide a secure grip, enhancing control. If you value a straightforward, safe, and easy-to-use tool, this clipper is a great option. What people say. They are lightweight and easy to maneuver. They cut through the first nail with complete ease. I really like the guard at the end that helps me measure how long to clip. It makes it really easy to clip without splintering the nail, and the grip on it is nice. They are well made and work perfectly every time. Number 3. Epica Dog Nail Clipper, Safe and Easy Pet Grooming. This nail clipper makes it easy to give your pet a precise and safe trim. The semicircular blades allow you to see exactly where you're cutting, eliminating any guesswork. The high-grade stainless steel blade stays sharp, making nail clipping effortless. A gentle squeeze is all it takes, making the process less scary for both you and your pet. When not in use, the clippers lock closed for safety. Simply slide the lock into the safe position, keeping curious kids safe. The rubber-coated handles provide a secure and comfortable grip. You can clip with confidence, thanks to the non-slip design and rounded blades. Available in 2 sizes to fit your dog. Choose the small-medium size for dogs under 60 pounds, or the large size for dogs over 60 pounds. This ensures a perfect fit for your furry friend. What we like. The semicircular blades allow for precise and safe cuts, giving you a clear view of where you're trimming. The safety lock ensures the clippers are always in a safe position when not in use. If you like a tool that combines safety with ease of use and a comfortable grip, this is the one for you. What people say. They smoothly cut through her whole nail on the first try. No cracking, splitting, or having to go back to get the other 1/2 of the nail on a second try. The rubber grip and sturdiness of these also gave me confidence that they wouldn't slip and cause me to cut more than I should. The nail cutters were easy to use and did a great job. Number 2. Best cat nail clippers for beginners. These cat nail clippers are the top choice, voted best overall for 2024. Millions of pet owners trust this product. Elevate your pet grooming experience with it. Designed for small animals, this cloth scissors is perfect for dogs, kittens, birds, and bunnies. Use it as kitten nail clippers or a general pet nail trimmer. It is very useful. This product offers an ergonomic, anti-slip handle grip. It is an effective way to cut long, sharp claws quickly, easily, and comfortably. It is very safe to use. These cat claw clippers help improve pet behaviors. It reduces their ability to claw and damage furniture. It is a great way to protect your home. Each pair of clippers includes a grooming guide. It helps you learn how to clip your pet's nails gently. You can use it without causing any discomfort. What we like. This clipper is designed for safe and easy use, making it ideal for beginners. The anti-slip handle grip ensures comfort and control during grooming. If you are a beginner or prefer a user-friendly tool with added guidance, this is a great choice for your pet. What people say. I am able to see very clearly how much nail there is before I cut, and it only takes one time to cut through the nail. These have worked great and seem like the safest option. It clips the nail cleanly and pretty easily. Number 1. Dog nail clippers with safety guard and nail file. These clippers make trimming your pet's nails easy. The sharp blades cut smoothly, preventing damage to your furniture. It's designed for comfort and health. A gentle squeeze is all it takes. This promotes precise cutting and smooth edges. You'll find it's effortless and never scary for you or your pet. The clippers have a safety lock to prevent accidents. This feature keeps the blades closed when not in use. It's easy to use and keeps the clippers safe. The rubber-coated handles provide a secure grip. You don't need a lot of strength to use them. It prevents slipping and ensures a comfortable experience for you and your dog. Made from stainless steel, these clippers are built to last. They won't rust, scratch, or bend. The blades stay sharp for a long time. The semicircular blades allow for safe and precise cuts. You can see exactly where you're cutting. It's designed for medium and large dogs and cats. The package comes with a nail file. You can use it to polish the nails to perfection. This ensures your pet's nails are smooth and comfortable. What we like. The sharp blade edges allow for effortless and precise cuts, ensuring your pet's comfort. The safety lock mechanism provides added security when not in use. If you are looking for a clipper that combines ease of use with safety and a comfortable grip, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These clippers have a guide so you don't cut the dog's nail too short. Very easy to use, had no hassle when I used them on my dog. They cut his nails very easily and he only mildly resisted. They seem to be made well and are sharp enough to easily cut through his nails. The guide helps to not cut too much off. Loved this type. I did a bit of research and ended up buying these because it cuts your pet's nails from both sides, which is easier on the dog's nails and much better all around. Yup, love them. They're super easy to use and I can see they don't bother my dog as much as the other style. My one dog is terrified to get his nails clipped and we used these while he was drinking water. We didn't even need to pick up his paw. Super easy and love the safety backing on it too. 5 stars. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.